Big old girder. Hi. Bust out the Captain Morgan for you. What's up, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the video. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome to a new series that I'm starting called Chasing Waterfalls. So, let me first off say that I apologize for my last video for the glitch, the gliggity glitch. But it does what it wants. It does it whenever it wants. Some videos it doesn't do it, I don't know. So if it happens, I apologize right off the hop, because it'll cut me off if I don't. So, here's one way to get into a series. So you know a couple videos back, absolute train wreck. I got caught in the rain, ended up just jumping into a shelter at the end and just waiting the rain out. Well, I just passed that shelter, and let's just say two people were cuddling. Let's say that. They were cuddling. They were. I mean, hey, I guess so. But I mean, if you see this, and I mean, that's not the best spot because people walk by a lot. Anyways, we are heading to Albion Falls. Now, episode 1's going to be a little different, but it does not represent the series. I'll get into why it'll be different in a bit, but for right now, let's go. Look at that. All the green. So pretty. It looks so different in the winter. What are you doing up there? Get over here. I legit, that took about like 5 minutes of balancing the camera on that tree. Worth it. Was it funny? Oh, come here, you. All right. Quick water break because I am motoring. We are giving her. I was so excited to start this, I didn't even put my knife on. Man. And I happen to know that the next little bit of the trail gets pretty intense. So let's drink some water. Yeah, I don't know. Really? Is that so? Huh? Okay. All right. Makes sense. Oh, that was cool. Man, we are kicking ass. Not even taking names. I don't need them. I don't want them. Oh, we got some geesies going nuts. I think I know why, though. Being able to like motor like this is because I don't have a fully loaded 50-liter pack on my back. We're rocking Little Red today. All we got is some water, an extra shirt in case it was cold, which it is not, and my first aid kit. Yeah. Rock and roll, baby. Let's go. Another girder. Go, buddy, go. I almost fell. I used to call them gardener, like gardening, till I was checked. It's the garter, I believe. Garter. Girder. We're going uphill. Oh, we're still going uphill. Nice. Woo, she's spicy. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Now that we're almost at the waterfall, the point of this series is to explore waterfalls, try out new coffee. And by that I mean, like, we go to the bottom of the waterfall, we go to the top of the waterfall. Hell, even if I could, I'll go in the waterfall. Anyways, this one, hey, you're not allowed. Yeah. And I don't have 10 grand. Duckies. Ducky, ducky, duck. That is so adorable. They're like vertical trying to eat. I kind of feel bad because I pushed them over there. Look, boing. All right. That's the way we came. We go up all the way to the top. Yep, up we go. Hoo-wee! We made it. That was one heck of a trail, boyo. Oh. All right, let's get to this waterfall. Whew. That was a good one. All right. You ready? Shazam! You gotta be kidding me. Right in the middle of the shot, there's a tent. Somebody set up shop. I was kind of hoping this fence was closer to the edge. And we got people just hanging out. I guess they got money to spend. Ah, steep drop. I think we got the best shot from over there anyways. What a beautiful waterfall though, honestly. Beautiful little valley too. All right, I think we'll get one more shot and then we'll find a spot for some kiafi. And we'll get into that too. Bam. Wow. Yeah. Another spot over here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, that one's definitely the best one. Still though, I like it. Okay. What a nice spot. Whew. Can you see me? I gotta check. So, second part of this series is basically going to be trying out coffee. Possibly even different ways of heating it up. I haven't decided on that yet, but definitely trying different coffees. So usually, if you watch my past videos, you'll see I have those instant, quick little 3-in-1s. I ran out, and let's be honest, I'm poor, so I can't, yeah. So today is going to be the rest of my morning coffee. That's how excited I was to get out here. I didn't even finish a coffee. I was sitting there and I was like, you know what? No, let's go. Pour it into a bottle. We're going. So we're going to heat this up on the propane stove and just enjoy a coffee in the woods. Why not? I highly recommend it. Take your favorite drink, go out into the woods, and just enjoy it. Wow, we are surrounded by greens. Wow, I didn't even notice that. Ooh, that was quick. Holy jeez. Nice. Beauty. Cheers. Woo. It's hot. Oh yeah. That's funny. A couple just walked by and they were like fighting, like arguing. Like, who goes on a hike to argue? You know what that was? I think that was a guy bringing a girl on a hike and she didn't want to be here. That was funny. I don't know why I thought that was funny. Anyways, pretty much sums it up. I know that I like coffee that I drink at home. I usually take coffee with just 3 cream. That's why I bring those 3 packs into the bush, because it gives you that sugar rush, you know. But pretty much sums it up. I'm gonna finish up my coffee, pack everything up. I think I'll enjoy the Blue Jays singing and then hike on out of here. So first off, let me just say again, I apologize if my videos glitch. I don't know what's going on with my laptop, but I can't fix it. Even if I get rid of the shot, the next shot glitches. So I have to leave it in. I apologize. I'll tell you when it's glitching so you know. That's all. I can put font on it. So that's a start. But yes, I apologize if I'm glitching. Line. I apologize for the glitches. Bear with me. I'm trying to get better equipment together, but it costs monies, and Dano's poor. So, anyways, I'd like to thank you for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I gained a couple more. 45. We're getting there. So, thank you for watching. I do sincerely appreciate it. I hope you enjoy. Pretty please hit subscribe. We're trying to hit 100 by my birthday, and that's June. So we're like a little over 3 weeks, about 3 weeks away, and I think we can do it. I'm gonna keep telling myself that. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Oh, I love coffee.